What's up, guys? Welcome back to the video. I know a lot of you guys are excited for this one. As you can tell by the title, we are finally starting on Kayla's Genesis Coupe rebuild. We have Coda here. He's helping out.
So
He knows a lot more than me, so I'm thankful that he's able to be here and help. But this is future me talking to you guys in the beginning of the video. I screwed up. The first portion of these clips were recorded in slow-mo. So it picks up at the second cylinder that we were compression testing, which there isn't much more before that, but I did have to re-record this. So we already have a lot of the car taken apart, but hopefully you guys enjoy this video. It's a good one, and if you guys are new, make sure you guys subscribe and always like and comment. I appreciate all the love you guys have been giving about this build on the last video recorded. Unfortunately, Kayla was not here for the redo of the intro, but she's in the video and I'm kind of excited. She wants to get her hands dirty since this is her car technically, and really wants to learn and just absorb everything that we're doing. So unfortunately she's not here right now as we're continuing this, but I'm excited about that. I just wanted to mention that.
all right, Kayla, go ahead. That's good. Around 85.
So 3 of them are pretty close together. That first one is quite a bit off. Do you feel like we should redo the first one just like
Yeah, we'll redo the first one.
just for hopes and dreams, I guess? Yeah, just to see what it would come out to maybe. Because it sounds like to me that this motor is getting pulled now.
It's a high possibility. All
All
right,
right.
Kayla, go ahead.
Second time.
That's good.
Same result.
A little closer to 70 right now.
So I guess it's a little bit more, but still not enough to match or get close to the other 3 cylinders. So I think our plan for the rest of the day is to start tearing this thing apart and getting the heart out of it. Unfortunately, I didn't really want to go down that road. How do you feel knowing that your baby has to come out?
I think it's for the best, to be honest, just because I don't know who touched it, what they did, and from what I can see so far, it doesn't look too great. So
Yeah, it needs to be cleaned up a lot. A lot of stuff's like half-assed, bolted, put together. Or at least if the motor's out, we can actually access everything, move stuff, mount it properly. Unlike the last people, they love zip ties. But I think it's probably for the best. I think she's right about that, and just dive through it all and basically go over it for ourselves, so we know what's good and what's bad and what's needs to be fixed, basically. This just means you could build it more. Let's just bore out the cylinders.
yeah, okay.
You could sleeve them, right?
Yeah, you can sleeve them.
And then you can go
No,
more power.
I don't.
It'd probably spool the turbo better if you go bigger cylinders,
I
right?
don't need more power. This is
You
gonna
already-
be plenty for me.
You're already at a possible 600. You might as well just aim for 8.
I mean, if you're at 8, you may as well go for 1,000.
That's true. Hopefully you got a lot of money in
Going
your wallet.
from a 200 horsepower, if that, Fusion, I think that's a big jump for me. So I'll stay where I'm at.
But I guess the plan now is her dad has a cherry picker at her parents' house, and so we're gonna go and pick up an engine stand. But first, before all that, I guess we're gonna get as much taken apart as we can, and then basically go get that and try to get this motor pulled.
So I have to like do this?
Yeah.
So it's gonna come my way?
Yeah.
Ugh, that makes way more fucking sense. Can I just do this?
Yeah. Go on. Just pull your hand back quick. Oh, there is metal in it.
Yeah, I could tell immediately. Look at the fucking.
Yeah, you can see that, but like look in there. I don't
Look
know if you guys could see this
thick
on
it
camera,
is.
but there's all kinds of
Look at
metal
my
shavings
finger.
in here. Yeah, put your finger up
Oh,
close.
look at that. Look at that. Can you see it?
Is that piece of metal in it?
Yeah.
Dude, no way.
Fuck. Look at it. You see them all? All the shavings?
Yeah, I would say this motor is pretty well blown. There you guys go.
Fuck.
Oh, some actual like decent sized chunks on that. Yeah, oh, a lot of metal on there.
I was wondering why the fuck this thing wasn't pulling out. It's because there's a big fucking chunk of metal on there.
I'm sorry. We made the bad decision, but at least you'll have a car running eventually. But hey, at least we're gonna have a lot of content for you guys all winter long. So if you guys are new and want to stay up to date with this build, make sure you guys hit the subscribe and drop a like on this video. I'm sure Code will be back in a lot of vlogs. Hopefully. She just wants her car running. I don't blame her. So we got all winter to get it running. Goal is to have this thing done by spring and have it built for Gatlinburg. That's the goal. Hopefully it happens. I don't see why it wouldn't.
Towards me now. Boom. This radiator drain is probably in the worst spot.
Nope.
Yeah, there's fluid in there.
Yeah, there's fluid in there.
Hey, yep. Hey, dude.
Oh, now he's full of.
Dude, I didn't want. That was
In my mouth.
how did it taste? Hey, you want water? Quickly, everything else just done. I feel bad for that Coda's doing all the work.
You're fine, dude. Alright, that drain bullet's gotta come back out.
It's in the way.
Yeah. It's right up against the frame.
What a pain in the ass.
It might be cool up here.
There it goes.
Trying to land it in the bucket.
Easier to put your tools back where you found them.
They're already scattered.
Look at
It's
that.
free. It's free. Oh.
It should lift right up.
Oh my fuck, it's heavy.
Come on, Kayla, it's your turbo. Pick it up.
No, but it's kind of heavy. Can I like, am I gonna hurt myself? Let's see.
No, that's the
it's
gas.
not. There's fucking lines down here. It's stuck.
One might be wet. Right there.
Hey, we're coming to the rescue.
Yeah, that line is wedged in between all
see.
these pipes.
That
There
one?
ain't no way that was coming up. Oh my god damn! I think that was just a lot of the tension.
Feeding it up.
Trying to get it in between these runners.
Once you do it, I kind of want to lift it myself. I kind of took over my spot, AJ.
Sorry.
I'm trying to be helpful, work on my own car.
Go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go.
Okay, I guess I can't give you shit. This is a lot heavier.
Yeah,
And it's kind of hard when it's like stuck.
Yeah, no shit. Oh god, that's a big one.
Down. There you go. There we go. Hold on. Hold on, speak right here. Go, 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 go.
There we go. It's a boy. So a little update. It's 6 o'clock now. We've made some pretty good progress. I can't say I've been doing most of the work. Coda's been doing a lot of it. But we got almost this whole side pretty much taken apart and disassembled. I don't think, maybe some like miscellaneous lines I think that we have left to do over here. And then on this side, we haven't really touched, I don't think. This is the hard part, isn't it? Really. Got a lot of little stuff I guess to take apart. But we got all this stuff pretty much laid out. A lot of stuff on this table, really. Trying to keep everything organized. I still gotta get some Ziploc bags, keeping it all together. I've been labeling like the harness as we take it apart because I just don't want to get to the point where we go to put it back together and I have no idea where anything goes.
And it's coated in oil.
Dude, something happened in this bay.
Oh, yeah.
Whether they left the oil cap off and that's why everything's coated, and that's maybe why it's blew up. I don't know, dude. Something fucking weird. Something weird happened to this car, for sure. Yeah. Every day.
Every day?
That and my feet. Oh yeah, now room.
Here it goes towards the back a little bit.
Trying.
We might have to pull the throttle up the off. I was really hoping we wouldn't have to.
What's it stuck on? That flexes a little bit. I think we do.
It's hitting this.
I think we got this though.
Here, angle it back that way.
See.
Boom.
There you go. So we got just a few miscellaneous things still to disconnect, but for the most part, we're pretty much ready to pull this and get a look at what failed. So the garage is starting to look like a mess, but the motor is finally ready to be pulled. We have pretty much everything apart, but it needs to be disconnected from the transil. We got the cherry picker, we got an engine stand. So in the next episode, we're gonna be pulling out this motor and tearing it down to see what's wrong with it. Now, I wanna hear you guys' opinions down in the comments. What do you guys think failed in this side of this motor? It could be a few different things. I'm glad this car is finally getting the ball rolling and we're getting a start on this thing because it's gonna be one crazy build. I know this video is kind of more on the boring side. We were just getting it prepped to be pulled. But the next video, like I said, we're gonna be tearing it down and it's only gonna get better from here. So if you guys are new, make sure you guys subscribe and hit the like button. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay stancy.